Twin V PowerCats is one of the most recognizable brand names in the offshore power catamaran space. The company has been building boats and designing boats for over 26 years, delivered almost 6,000 Twin Vs around the world, anywhere from a 10-foot tender all the way to a 36-foot offshore boat. I've seen twin hull boats over the years, and what I found out is this company produced the best riding boat out there. And when I first got onto a Twin V, it was like lightning in a bottle, and I knew it then that this was a company that I could build and be part of. I acquired Twin V in 2015, and what we saw was an opportunity to expand our market share by designing new Twin Vs, new models, bigger models. I set out with a team of engineers, and we took every boat that we designed to the next level. We enhanced every aspect, including gel coat colors, upholstery, fit and finish. This year we're coming out with a 34-foot Twin V and an incredible 40-foot offshore cat that can have quad or dual engines. One of the most amazing aspects of Twin V is the people. We come together building what I think is some of the most beautiful boats in the world. Twin V has a lot of heritage. There's people that have worked at this company for over 20 years, including our top guy, Preston Yarborough. He grew up at this company building and designing Twin Vs. That says a lot, not only about the company, but about a love for the product.
We've got some employees that have been with us over 20 years, quite a few actually. We've got some that have been with us well over 10 or 15 years. These are very labor-intensive hand-built boats. It's all related to the craftsmanship that's put into the boat. And without the good craftsmen, we wouldn't have the good product that we're putting out the front doors. So since 2015 and us meeting Joseph Visconti and him purchasing the company, it's really evolved. We've had the capital to move forward and buy better equipment. Technology is involved now. We've got more CAD programming and CNC programming and engineers involved than we've ever had in the history of the company. The ride quality of catamaran is superior over a V-hull. It's not a sales pitch, it's physics. The catamaran form engulfs this large volume of air and mixes it with the water, and you basically ride on that cushion of air. Along with that ride quality is the fuel efficiency that comes with the catamaran hull. And the bottom line is you can go further on your fuel capacity in a Twin V. You've got the stability factors that you don't have on a monohull. These are much more stable. A lot of commercial applications Twin V's produced over the years. We've got boats all over the world. We've sold boats to many municipalities, law enforcement agencies, government agencies. In every sector of the marine world, we've got boats. If I had to pick one thing that absolutely wakes me up and gets me going every day of my life, it's designing our boats. It's taking a concept from sometimes a sketch on a sheet of paper, sometimes a sketch on a napkin. It's really exciting to see it go from concept to delivery.
Here at Twin V, we set out to bring the world's first zero-emissions, fully electric-powered boat to market. First, we had to come up with the actual design, what we want this boat to look like. We want it to be as sleek and stealth as possible. So once we had that initial design, then we had to fit all of the components around it. We had to make sure that we had, everything proportionally balanced to create the same ride as a gasoline boat. One of the advantages of the electric is that the power it's instant. It's there the second you want it. The most immediate thing that you're going to notice about being on a Twin V electric is sitting at the dock. The motor is not going to be running. You're not going to hear that noise. And then once you get going, it's going to be whisper quiet. You're going to be able to hear things that you've never heard while out in the water. You can't beat that.
As a business person, when you buy a company, sometimes companies lose the heritage or lose the DNA. And it was important to me that Twin V continued to carry on that DNA and heritage that made the company what it is today. What I'm most excited about is the future of Twin V. As we move into building and designing electric boats, innovation needs to be at the forefront. The people here at Twin V are some of the most creative and innovative people I've ever had the opportunity of working around, and we are designing the future of boating. This year we're introducing a 24-foot, 100% electric PowerCat, 5 electric models to follow. We're designing an incredible new fully electric outboard engine called the Electra. a 215 horsepower outboard motor. The demand for EV products is greater than we've ever seen, and as we start to develop and engineer electric boats, I'm proud to say that Twin V is engineering the future of boating.